Let's see what Daddy's doing.
Yeah, let's see what Daddy's doing. You think he's building our house for us?
Yes.
Me too. I think James is over here with his dad and his uncle, and I think they are working on building the trusses for the 3 Seasons room on the back of the house. So we're going to go check out the progress on that. Elias just pointed out to me that there's ice in this bucket. This is definitely a sign that it's getting cold in Kentucky and we've got to get in this house. But look at this. Let's show him the ice. Show him the ice that you just found in the bucket. There, oh gosh, this water's cold. There it is.
I want the big.
Woo, you broke it. Good job. You can throw it. Nice.
Now, can I have an edge one?
Yeah. Oh. Pretty cool. So they're prepping to put the ceiling on. So this board is what our boards are going to attach to make the Victorian ceiling for this room. Picture over here is what the exposed side is going to look like on the back of the room. So that beam you see there is what the boards are going to attach to make the trusses that go like this and like this. We're burning some wood scraps and cardboard, and it has unfortunately put a lot of smoke on the guys that are working. Oops.
Got it. This is harder than I can. I'm second today.
Good job, babe. It looks great.
I know.
Now we're gonna go see the progress from standing on the deck. So, here it is, the big room. Walk over there.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Half inch to my left. Yeah, we need to push the whole lot better. No, not you.
There's the notch. I got it.
Yeah.
Mom, it's a caterpillar I found.
That's a cool one.
I gotta get this on the other side. Okay, go ahead, Doll. Sorry.
Look, Mommy.
Did you find a caterpillar?
Yes.
Did you notch it yet?
Elias, what did you find?
A caterpillar.
Ooh, hold your hand out so I can see it. Ooh. Here, let me see. Really cool, dude.
Let's put it down.
Did you drop it?
Yes.
It is November 1st, and it is really cold outside. It's been really cold all day, and so I've been stuck in the camper all day with the boys. We were out some, but for the most part, we were in the camper. Anyway, so for dinner, I made tuna salad because James hates tuna salad, and he was in the woods tonight. So I was like, well, I'm gonna cook something for dinner that I really like, and I thought the boys would eat it, but they wouldn't eat it. So here's the boys. Elias, what are you guys having for dinner?
Green beans.
Green beans. That's right. Delicious.
Yes.
They absolutely love green beans. It's the weirdest thing. Just a can of green beans. No salt, no pepper, no nothing. So here's my dinner. Tuna casserole. And I need to go ahead and put it away though because... And actually, that's not tuna casserole. That's tuna salad. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I gotta put it away though because James's hunting clothes are on the top bunk there. And if he comes in and he smells tuna salad, he's gonna have a cow. So... That's fine. She'll come get it. Good job.
Those are cookies.
Cookies? No, it's horse feed. She likes it. High five, Elias. Good job. So proud of you. Good morning. It's a cold day here in Northern Kentucky. Oh, it's like going on lunchtime and it's, I think, like 35 degrees outside. So it's chilly. Anyway, I'm coming down here because James this morning got in the windows and doors in the basement. So I want you guys to see that because I'm really excited about it. But behind me, there it is. Let me get you a better view. This is the window and door from the basement view on the inside. It's really nice.
Ready?
James is working on putting all these silver things in for the trusses of the wraparound porch roof. James, what are those silver things called?
Joist hangers.
Joist hangers. He's putting all those on. Okay, explain to me what's happening inside while you're screwing on the joist hangers outside. He makes this so difficult.
Dad, here, point it up there so I can show them.
Okay.
See these pieces of wood here?
Yeah,
There
the
and
blocks. There and there.
We're putting blocking on the inside, so on the outside, we can actually fasten the hangers and the trusses to the wall.
Oh, I see.
Blocking would be against code, and obviously a tornado would rip it right off the house.
Okay,
So,
that makes sense then.
We should have to
And there you have it. This part of the door is done. I'll zoom in closer so you can see it. It's got a nice wood grain look. And I like the imperfections that it's not perfectly as dark in some spots as it is in the other, because it makes it look more like real wood. I wonder where Elias could be. There he is! Making a fortress behind Levi's pack and play, since he's up from his nap. Levi! Just my little Buckeyes fan playing with the ball. Yay! Where are you going? Good morning. We got our boys bundled up to go outside and help Daddy in the cold. Levi's gonna go in the carrier. Look at you. Look at you. Don't you fall off that table. Yeah. Here we go. You ready to go help Daddy? Or are you ready to go skiing? There you go. Good job. Watching the sun come up and shine on this house. Oh, gosh. Literally a dream come true. Ours. So yesterday James added this meshing. It's like metal meshing. And that's what the stone will attach to for the front of our house. So he did get all that attached. Looks great. It's like this wire metal stuff. Ooh, it's kind of sharp. And it goes all along the front. And James also got the black tar paper on this back part of the house here where the chimney is, because that's all going to be stone as well. And he started to put the metal meshing here too. So we've got that on. So the chimney's getting ready, and the stone will go all the way up to where the roof meets, so that'll be all stone.
Put some more meat behind it.
What are you drilling the holes for, babe?
We gotta mount this board right here to put our electrical cabinet on it.
Okay. There it is. And this is what Eli does while we're working. Go, Eli, go! Fast! Yeehaw! Uh-oh. Woohoo! Good job, buddy. And of course, Levi's on my back as usual, being papoose. All right, we got the wood panel up. Now he's making measurements for where the electrical box is gonna go.
No, right now I'm just making measurements for holes and top cons.
Oh, I lied. We're making measurements for holes and what?
The top con screws.
Tap-on screws. Whatever that is, I don't know.
Well, I sure hope this is up to code, because I don't really know.
Perfect.
Like hanging a picture.
Like hanging a picture. James, how come this one is painted, but this one where the water meter is not?
Because that one don't need to be inspected.
Oh, for real? Oh yeah, you're right, we don't have to get a water inspection.
I don't know if that needs to be painted. I know this one needs to be painted because I did ask the inspector.
So that's per code.
Per code.
Got it.
That disconnect is at maximum distance that it can be off the ground. According to code, I think it can only be about 6.5 feet high for short people, I guess. I'll put it as high as I could, keep it out of the kids' hands. Plus, we're probably gonna end up having to put wood up there in order to bring the wires down so we got something fastened to.
So it's the right height?
Looks good, it's level.
Done?
Well, I want to test this panel out here. Make sure this door has to be able to open up at least 90 degrees, which I know I'm going to get. But, you know, I want to see what we got here. Oh yes, perfect. We got plenty of space here.
I like it.
It's gonna be real nice. Looks like I'm clear here. So along with the disconnect, like I said, you can't have this more than 6.5 feet high. You have to have a minimum of 36 inches in front of the panel and a minimum width of 30 inches of working space. So, but that does not have to be centered panel. So obviously here, I think it's like 13, 14 inches here, and then the rest is out here. So that is perfectly acceptable.
Good.
Now I'm gonna put some screws in it.